Airplane mode.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are finally out of 2017. Happy New Year's, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to say Happy New Year's to a friend or family member using iMessage in iOS. Well, obviously. So, basically what you're going to do is you're going to type in Happy New Year's, and we're going to use the effects screen right here. If you guys are lucky, if you hit send, it will show like a whole bunch of fireworks. I can't show it to you guys right now because when I typed it in the morning before I started this video, I couldn't actually do it again. I couldn't show it to you guys. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down on this button. I'm going to hold down on the send button until we're about to this screen right here. So now we're going to go over here.
Slam, button, screen, button,
choose
bubble,
what we want to do it from. Do we want to do it with a bubble or a screen? I'm going to choose screen.
Selected.
And you can see those bubbles popping up.
Echo.
We can
Copies
do the
of the message
echoes.
bubble echo across the screen, expanding and shrinking as they rise and swirl and disappear.
And we can hit the echo here.
Echo. Send with echo.
And hit
button.
send.
Send with echo. Full screen effect. Copies of the message bubble echo across the screen, expanding and shrinking as they rise and swirl and disappear.
And that's how you tell someone Happy New Year's with iMessage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.